The girl that was supposed to do my hair, she said that she couldn't do it. The one that did it for my photo shoot. So she did the hair for my photo shoot. She wasn't able to do it. I asked her for the 2nd or the 3rd, which is today. She did Maya's, but she didn't do mine. So I had to get something so I can go to my friend's party. But I've been trying to book with Faces by Courtney. I tried to book her for my photo shoot makeup, but she didn't do that one because I didn't directly book through her site. I asked her through DM, but she took my appointment, but my best friend told me that she canceled. Yeah, y'all, I'm just on my way to the appointment to get this makeup. I was gonna arch my brows, or like not arch them, kind of pluck them, but yeah, y'all, I can't wait. My hair look cute. I'm finna get a red lip because I got a black dress. It's supposed to be like black. My bad. It's supposed to be like black and red. I got these cute little it's simple. Like mine, it's supposed to be simple because I couldn't get the whole oh shit, I gotta go get that $100 because she only take cash. I couldn't get the, what am I trying to say? Yeah, my face looking better. It's trying to clear. I'm excited for today. Like, I'm letting another makeup artist be my face, y'all. I'm letting another makeup artist be my face. Okay. Period. So yeah, I want a red lip and whatever she do, I'm gonna show her the dress that I'm wearing. I hope I can fit the damn dress. If not, then shit, I'm just out of luck. And I need some shoes too. So my appointment is in 30 minutes. So let me go run ahead and get this money and go to my appointment. All right, y'all. So I gotta put my mask on. I just went to go get Maya some makeup. Y'all, I am broke as hell. So I had to get what I had to get. Okay, so I'm here at the salon, about to go in and get my makeup done. So y'all finna see me turn to 0 to 100 real quick, bitch. Okay. Period. Okay. I'm gonna see y'all later. Soon as she meet this face. Y'all, I am here. We got Courtney, y'all. Y'all look good.
Everybody came to fuck with Kanisha, let's go. Everybody got a body like her. And they throwing ass up here.
Now can you put some makeup on?
No, you don't need none. You cute, girl. You don't need none. Your skin good. I could put some mascara.
Oh, my shadow?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't take it off, Mommy.
Okay, that's it. You ain't gotta do that. Huh.
What do you push on?
You be licking it. You taking it away. Don't lick your lips.
What's that? What are you giving me? Huh?
Huh?
What's that?
Mascara.
What the hell? Oh my. Why here?
I know. Let me do it first. Ooh, girl. Hold on. Let me see. Which one?
Down.
I did. Hold on, wait. Wait, come here. Let me wipe this off real quick. I see something.
What?
Sit down.
Ooh.
Sit down real quick.
Oh. My
Sit down. I know. Sit down. Look close. Okay. Look, Mommy. Look at me. Hey, Mommy.
Hey.
What's your name?
Layla, I'm princess.
You a princess?
Yeah, I'm Layla.
It's your birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday on Easter.
No, it's not.